everyone credit here. They're really keeping an eye on things and looking at stuff even without necessarily having focus involved. It's that kind of commitment to really thinking about energy. You mentioned, okay, you've done some projects that, well, some certainly have increased energy use because they're geared towards production, but I also see a sense with you that you keep an eye on as you're adding equipment. You do it in the most energy efficient ways that you can. And you really keep an eye on that, on the energy bottom line, but it also really goes back to the company budget bottom line as well, and really thinking about it and looking at it.
So I want to just say that, like, your story is like so powerful as we look across the whole state. And I think, like, whatever we can do to amplify the successes of just this location to accelerate, the transition to clean energy and efficiency and just general process improvement.
I would like to add too, even just from the safety aspect of it, just the lighting. When you're switching over to
the LED lights.
Good point.
I cannot tell you how beneficial that is on the safety aspect, because you can see so much more. It just, it really changes everything.
But just knowing that you all worked hard to save a business in Chippewa County, in Cornell, Wisconsin, and then knowing every move that Focus on Energy and Excel and you partnered with in order to not only be sustainable and energy conscious, it's also helping preserve this business in a community that definitely needs it to stay. So for that, I'm very grateful.
Just want to thank you, congratulate you on this award. I think being here does show, the commitment that you guys have made to the community, growing up in Bloomer. We've seen the challenges that Cornell has had in the last 25 years, and without this company, it would be really dire. So, with this program, the more and more, can help you guys expand, grow your business, keep people employed. Just from bottom of my heart, being state representative from this area, thank you and congratulations.
Well, it's a testament to the team here. I always say there's got to be an easier job than paper making. Oh my goodness, didn't know what I signed up for. But it's challenging, and we just roll up our sleeves, and awards isn't something we really work toward. We work towards keeping jobs in a small community, providing good employment, and giving our owners a return on investment. We're fortunate because we wouldn't be able to do what we do without them. They've never said no to a capital project that makes sense. They also see the value in this community. And energy is a big thing to us. We really talk about it, and I would like, as legislators, for you to know that this program isn't just fluff. How many projects have we done that we probably would not gotten approval on without the incentive? I can think of several. So it's a real thing, and for businesses, that could be the one thing that pushes you over the edge to, invest in that energy project. It's true for us anyway.